Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids colors name blue color, white color, green color, red color, yellow color, black color. Kids eye coloring ABC 1 to 3 and 2D shapes. Kids first draw A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids neither B for ball, B for bat, and use white color. The alphabets of B. It's neither C for cat, C for car, and use green color. The alphabets of C. It's neither D for dog, D for doll, and use red color. The alphabets of D. Kids neither E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E, and use yellow color. Kids neither numbers, and first letter 1, the numbers of 1, and use blue color. O-N-E-1. Kids neither 2, the numbers of 2, and use white color. T-W-O-2. Kids neither 3, the numbers of 3, and use green color. T-H-R-W-3. Kids neither 4, the numbers of 4, and use red color. F-O-U-R 4. Kids neither 5, the numbers of 5, and use yellow color. F-I-V-E 5. Kids neither shapes, and first letter is square, the shape of square, and use blue color. It's neither circle, the shape of circle, and use white color. It's neither triangle, the shape of triangle, and use green color. It's neither heart, the shape of heart, and use red color. Its last letter star, the shape of star, and use yellow color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.